Hello friends, myself Rajesh and you are watching Excel Infinity. In this video, we are going to cover absolute, relative and mixed reference in Excel. To watch this video in Hindi, visit our Hindi channel Excel Eternal. The link is available in the description below. So let's get started. In Excel, a reference can be relative, absolute or mixed. If you are applying Excel formula in single cell, then Excel reference is irrelevant. But this is not the case always. Let us understand importance of cell reference in Excel formula by an example. Here I have created a small table. First row and first column of the table is in green. Now if here we will apply formula to pick the value from this table, and here we can see the formula. Here I use Excel function formula text. As I used if error, so it is blank now. When I apply formula, you can see here in this cell. When we apply formula in Excel by selecting a cell, by default Excel apply relative reference. This is A1 without $sign before A and 1, it is relative reference. This relative reference is appearing in corresponding cell of this table. Now when we drag this formula cell from left to right or from top to bottom, horizontally or vertically, the cell reference will change accordingly. Now it is A1. If I move it right, it will become B1, then C1. If I drag it down, it will become A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3. Let us check ourselves. See A1, B1, C1. When I drag it down, it is picking value from the table and corresponding formula is here. When we are moving horizontally in a row reference is same but column reference changes. But when we move vertically, our column reference is same but row reference changes. So this is about relative reference. But in some scenario we may need to multiply or use a single cell like A1 to multiply the whole table. For example, to multiply for calculation of tax, we may need to multiply the complete cells with a single cell. So what if we need to pick only one cell from this table in this complete table? Again, if I apply formula by selecting cell, Excel by default will apply relative reference to make it absolute. So as I told you, I need to fix it A1. Either I move horizontally or vertically, it will always pick value from A1. To do this, I need to fix column as well as row. So I need to put $sign before A and 1. This I can do by pressing F4. Now it is absolute reference. You can see in our formula table also. Now if I drag it horizontally or vertically, it will always remain A1 or will pick only value from A1 cell. Similarly, if you want to multiply or pick value from B1, you can make it B1 or C1. The cell reference as you required, you may put, but your reference will be absolute reference. So this was absolute reference. Now mixed reference. In mixed reference, in some scenario you may need to pick value from a single row or a single column. Suppose we need to pick value from first row of this table. As I told you earlier, when we move right, our row is same but column changes. So we need to change column also, because we need to move horizontally as well as vertically. So when we move down, our row reference will also change. So we need to fix a row to pick value from first row only. Again we apply formula by selecting the cell A1. It is relative to make it absolute, not complete absolute, but relative column and absolute row. Let us put dollar before 1. Now what happened? Now if I drag it horizontally, column reference is changing, but when I drag it down, its row reference will remain same. So if we need to pick value or we need to use value from a specific row in our formula, then we will use mixed reference. For mixed reference, we may fix either column or array. To pick value from a specific row, we need to fix row. To pick value from a specific column, we need to fix column. Now let us see how we can fix column. Suppose we need to pick value from first column only. Again I am applying formula by selecting cells. It is relative to make it mixed reference, that is absolute column and relative row. Let me put A1. Now if I drag it horizontally, it will always select 10, but when I pick it, picking always column 1 value, that is column A value. This is changing the row reference A1, A2, A3, but column reference is always same. This is mixed reference, absolute column and relative row. So this is what where I started. Relative reference A1, absolute reference $A, $1, mixed reference either a row or column is fixed and one is absolute and one is relative. We present it like this, $A1 or $1. Let us check one more example. Here we need to multiply value from top row of this table to corresponding value of first column only. By multiplying 2 to 1 to 3, we will create table of 2, 3, 4, 5, 10. Here we always need to pick value from this row and this column. So as I shown in earlier formula, what we will do, first let us pick value by selecting cell. It is relative, but here we need to pick value from this row only. So we will fix the row using mixed reference, relative column and absolute row. Then sign of multiplication, then pick this value. Here we need to fix column B, absolute column and relative row. Now if we drag this formula down, see, it is always picking value 2 and multiplying each value of column B. When we drag it right, it picking value from 3, this row, and multiplying each value of this column. So this is the use of cell reference in Excel formula. Here also I put 1 to 10 and we need to create a dynamic table. Suppose I put, first delete this value. If we need to multiply this value from each value of this, we need to pick value from a fixed cell. So what we will use? We will use absolute reference. We need to make D18 absolute. Absolute column, absolute row, then multiply by 1. Here whether we fix column B or not, it will work correctly. Sorry, I have not mentioned value now. If I meant 12, so it is dynamic table. The table will change if we change the value in this cell D18. Hope you understand cell referencing in Excel. Finally, I am sharing a trick to change the cell reference. As I told earlier, when we select a cell for applying formula, by default it is relative reference. If we place our cursor here and press F4, Excel will change into absolute, then relative column, absolute row, then I press again F4, it is mixed reference, absolute column, relative row, and finally again relative. So you can use F4 as toggle button to change the cell reference like this. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please let me know by pressing the like button. If you want me to cover any specific topic or have any doubt, query regarding the video, do let me know in the comment section. For more Excel tips and tricks, please visit my blog jupitersolutions.in, for which link is mentioned in the description box. Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get notified of our latest updates. For more video, stay tuned.